Hello and welcome to my channel. This is where we learn how to dream big and live big. And if you would like to join the family of like-minded people and start creating the life that you love today, please hit subscribe button. Welcome. Today I would like to share a little bit about me. I hope to make it short, not to bore you. The reason is I want you to understand who I am, where I come from, what I've learned, and what I can share with you. And if that will resonate with you, if the way I deliver my messages will resonate with you, um, then we can continue our journey together. So let's begin. I come from Eastern Europe. When I was 18, I moved to New York to pursue a better life. Actually, I always wanted to leave my country, even as a kid. And funny thing, as a child, I was looking at the postcard of Brooklyn Bridge, and I was like, this is where I want to live. And then, of course, I forgot. But when I grew up and I saw Brooklyn Bridge, that memory came back to me. So I believe our soul knows. We know a lot, not just on the conscious level. So back to the story. I'm 18, I'm in New York, I'm applying for college, and this is the first time when I betrayed myself. I always wanted to be a psychologist. I love helping people, I love teaching people, I love giving advice. So I decided, let me go into psychology so I can get paid for it. Because no one wants unwanted advice, we all know that. But the journey was too long. You had to get a PhD. I didn't have the money. I didn't have the time because I had to start making money right away. I was supporting myself and I was on the visa. So I went into banking. Um, it was a good career. Um, but when I was already taking finance courses in college, I realized that I'm good at it, but I absolutely not passionate about it. And we had people bringing newspapers, Wall Street Journal. We were discussing it, and I felt so bored. I never even read them, the newspapers. And that's when I realized, oopsie, I made the wrong choice. But I thought it was too late, and I kept going. Um, yes, I got jobs in banking. My last job was in a major global bank. It was an amazing career. I worked with the most amazing people in the industry. Some of them you've seen on TV. And I can say it was an amazing time of my life. I've learned from the best. But I was looking at them and I was so jealous. You know why? Because when they were working, they were passionate. They wanted to learn. They wanted to create, they had ideas. They wanted to create new projects and this and that. And I was like, I wish I had it. I wish I had that passion. And all I had was just, learn the basic stuff and be better than I was yesterday. So yeah, that made me feel sad. And then one day I woke up and I realized that I was completely miserable. And I did not know why, because I had it all. I had prestige, career, money, everything. And I was not happy. And I felt so guilty about it because I thought it was my dream. But turns out it was a dream of my mom and dad, of society, of how I was brought up to be a good girl, have a great career, and let your neighbors envy you. But it was not my dream. And the sad part is what I did not know what I want. I did not know who I was. I did not know where to start. And I started working with a life coach. Then I got life coaching certification myself. Then I started getting clients, and I was actually learning through clients because there is a synchronicity. Whatever you're missing, the universe sends you answers through other people. That's how we learn. Um, I was taking numerous courses and working with psychologists. And then one day I decided that I cannot do it anymore. I cannot betray myself anymore. At my job, I started getting sick very often. I felt so weird. Like every time I'm taking a sick day and I'm young, it was so embarrassing. But my body was refusing to do it anymore because I knew I was meant for more. So I stopped working. I resigned and I decided I'll go travel. And when I was leaving New York, I actually thought that I'm going for 3 weeks. I was going to Bali because this is the spiritual place, and I my hope was to go there and gain spiritual knowledge, get in touch with myself, and learn. But I ended up traveling for almost a year. I'm still traveling, so I don't know when it's gonna end. Uh, yeah, so we'll see. I'm excited. Um, yeah, so I went to Bali, and I thought it would be it would be a journey where I just come, meditate, and become a different person. But what happened? I came, I was completely miserable. I was in tears almost every day because, first of all, your brain uh, goes in overdrive. I had no stability at all. I left everything and I didn't know what the future holds. No job, no friends. I don't know where I'm gonna live. So it was stressful. And then also the work on yourself does not only happen through meditation. You actually need to take actions, and then through actions and through becoming a better version of yourself each day and facing your fears, you gain more confidence, and then that confidence leads to more confidence, to more actions, and that's how you roll, achieving your dreams. I thought meditating will help me conquer my demons, but it did not happen. All of my flaws surfaced all at once. So 5 months I was dealing with that. I went to Vipassana silent retreat in Bali. It was an amazing experience. I'll talk about it later. Then I went to Australia, South India, Thailand. Now I'm visiting my family. So the journey continues and the learning continues. Um, so what I wanted to say, my travel during my travels, I met so many people who are in the same shoes as I was, who are, especially in Bali, who are searching for themselves, who who are fed up with their previous life, but they don't know how to change it. Overworked, burnt out, not happy with family, not sure what they want, and that led me understand that there's so many of us who betray ourselves on a daily basis. We do that. We just live and hate it every day, have no meaning, and continue doing the same thing tomorrow. And I was asking myself, why? It doesn't have to be that way. You just have to wake up and work on what you want, and anything is possible. If you put so much force and attention into fighting your misery, you can use all of that energy into making yourself happy, into understanding who you are, what you want, and how to get there. It's easy. And during my year's journey of self discovery, I have created a plan of how to understand what you want, what is your purpose, what are your dreams, how to add meaning to your life, and then how to turn it into a plan and actually take baby steps to slowly or sometimes fastly, like I did, create the life that you want. Um, so with me, you'll have a shortcut to your dream life, and I will be sharing all of my knowledge and personal experiences here on this channel. If you like what you hear, if this resonates with you, if you're just curious, then stay tuned for more videos and let's build the life we love together day by day. Love you.